Okay, this is a pretty easy canape to put together. This is a blue cheese and walnut whip. It's blue cheese, mascarpone, toasted walnuts, pureed up. It goes with red onion marmalade and some pear. And the pear is just a case of taking one of the cheeks off like this. You will have bought this from Cash, one of being delivered from Cash 2000. These little knives are great if they're nice and sharp, or you can use a big knife as well. Nice thin slice. Okay, got my toast. You could do this in the toaster, doesn't matter, you do it in the oven. The thing to be aware of with brioche is it toasts incredibly quickly because it's got a lot more sugar in it than fat in it than regular bread. Okay, which makes it so tasty. Now I'm going to cut these, cut the edges off like this. Try and make them all the same size. And cut them into 3. That's about the right size. Now, same thing with cakes and all of these things. It's good to plate these things up off the board instead of putting them all on the board and spilling things everywhere. Okay, a little bit of onion marmalade. They don't want to be too big that they're too clumsy to eat and you spill them all over your clothes and things. When you plate things up like this, you can look over them and see when you've done them all. Make sure they look pretty much the same portion size, etc. A little bit of this, and if it goes there on this one, it should go there on all of them, not one here and one here and one here, so that they all look as uniform as possible. Now, if you've got a vegetarian for the week, you'll need to keep a little bit of this onion marmalade and use it for their, I believe it's tomorrow night's phyllo main course. That needs a little bit of onion marmalade too, so you'll have enough that you can keep some for that. Okay, nice small piece of pear. And when you transfer them over, they don't, the plate stays nice and clean. Okay, something like that.